Hey, welcome back to Frank's Favorite Foods, where I'm always cooking up a good time. This is the channel where I teach you how to make restaurant quality food at home.
Cream chip beef, or
S.O.S, commonly referred to as on a shingle. My grandmother made this for me as a kid, and I absolutely loved it. If you're not a subscriber, you should be. Hit the subscription button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a single episode. The most important ingredient in this recipe is the dried beef. This is a throwback recipe. Chip beef is actually pretty hard to find. Carson's is 100% real beef, whereas others tend to be a reconstituted loaf. Start by putting the dried beef in 4 cups of boiling water. This process is absolutely necessary because you need to remove the salt from the cured meat. Next, do a rough chop on the dried beef. Once the beef has been chopped up, go ahead and just set it aside while you make the bechamel sauce. Next, combine equal parts butter and flour in a small saute pan to create a roux. Whisk the ingredients together over moderate heat. You'll want to cook the roux for at least a minute to get rid of all the floury taste. Once the roux is finished, begin adding milk a little at a time so that you reach the right consistency, which should be that of a cream soup. Next, simply add the chopped chip beef. Combine those ingredients and make sure that the pieces of beef are separated. Next, I'm adding a little freshly ground black pepper, salt to taste. This last ingredient is one of the most important. Add just a little bit of freshly ground nutmeg, but don't add too much. It could definitely overpower the dish. The cream chip beef is going to go on top of some buttered toast. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a tutorial on making toast. Put a generous portion of the cream chip beef on each piece of the toast. And that, my friends, is the dish. My grandmother, Mariah Rideout, was the only person I know to make this dish from scratch. A piece of my family history that I've shared with my own kids. They love it. If you're not a subscriber, you should be. Hit the notifications bell and the subscription button so you never miss an episode. Thanks again for watching. Liking and sharing this video really helps me to grow my channel. I'll see you in the next video.